Reading Horizons provides many resources to help empower teachers in the classroom. We're proud to introduce the newly expanded Reading Horizons Discovery Structured Literacy Program that now includes Sound City. The Reading Foundations Kit for 1st through 3rd grade provides teachers with a Sound City Teacher's Manual that includes 44 lessons, one for each phoneme. Teachers will also receive a daily phonemic awareness lessons manual, 2 sound wall posters, 1 phoneme card set, and 25 portable sound wall cards for each student. The Reading Foundations Kit also includes resources to help with classroom phonics instruction. Inside each kit, there is 1 set of teacher's manuals corresponding with chapters 1 through 6 in the phonics curriculum, a game supplement to help explain each game taught throughout the program, transfer cards that coincide with each lesson, and 7 wall posters. There are also 6 sets of little books, 54 books per set, that align with the themes and content in each chapter to use with small group transfer. We now also offer the Reading Horizons Discovery Reading Foundations and Spelling Kit. In addition to all the resources in the Foundations Kit, the Spelling Kit includes 2 sets of instructor cards, Volume 1 and 2, to guide spelling instruction week by week. There is guided instruction for each day of the week along with pre-tests, post-tests, and word banks. We included the Teacher Resources Manual for more in-depth guidance. Finally, there is a Review Activities Manual to highlight and allow students to practice each weekly lesson. This Review Activities Manual also features exclusive downloadable content to use in the classroom. For more information about the newly expanded Reading Horizons Discovery Structured Literacy Program or to speak with your Reading Horizons representative, please visit readinghorizons.com.